परमेश्वर की इच्छा आपके जीवन में सदा रहे. हाय अभिषेक, हैप्पी बर्थडे, गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड आपके जीवन में परमेश्वर बहुतायत से आशीष और अभिषेक करे. बाय बाय.
हाय अभिषेक, हैप्पी बर्थडे. परमेश्वर तुझे आशीषित करे और तेरे कामकाज में तुझे बरकत लाए. परमेश्वर तुझे बहुत आशीषित करे. परमेश्वर तुझे सुरक्षित रखे और हमेशा तेरे साथ रहे. गॉड ब्लेस यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
Happy birthday, Abhishek. Wish you many, many happy birthday.
Hello Abhishek, happy birthday. Abhishek, I just want to tell you that you're a person who's very sensitive to people, and you always think about others. You're a very good counselor and you're a very good writer, Abhishek. That's what I've noticed it about you in the camp. Yeah, that you're a very good writer, and whatever suggestions you give it to people. It's a very nice suggestions you give people. And the other thing I want to tell about you is, even though you're not committed physically, you're still committed spiritually. That's because it's impossible for you to be involved in the church, but still you have tried your best. Yeah, you have tried your best by attending GTs, and you have always been committed in the church. Tried your best to be committed in the church.
I also just want to say that you are a wonderful son, Abhishek. And honestly, there's not much to say for your birthday or something. You are a wonderful son. You are a very good son. You are a very good person. You love to serve. Place your very honest. As Ashish said, you're a good counselor. At times, when crisis is there and there is nobody to stand, there is no one. You just take it on and you can get things done. You have that gifting. God has put it into you. So you're very special, Abhishek. This year would be, I feel, a great turning point for you, where the secret things of your heart, your desires of your heart, God's going to reach. So God bless you and have a wonderful day.
God bless you.
Hi Abhishek. Just want to say that you have been a very good son to us, and all these years you have endured a lot, and really want to thank God for you. I'm proud of you for all that you're doing, and one thing I've seen is that you have never demanded from your mommy and daddy, and really want to really thank God for you, that God has given you as a gift to us, and we want to really see you grow in the Lord. Thank you so much for everything, Abhishek. We want to really say that God may fill you with wisdom and understanding. I'm seeing that over the years, past 1 year or something, you have grown in wisdom and understanding. I just feel that as you endure, God is going to bless you more and more. So the Lord's blessing is always there upon you, and we are always there with you, and I love you.